Well, hey there. I'm Michelle McKay and Cynthia Bolden. And as promised, we are talking about the 7 keys that truly lock up
Mhm.
inflammation arsonists in your body. So, key number one is to detoxify. What do we tell you guys when we start the drops? Your body is going to detox, and that's a
Mhm.
great thing.
It
Your
is.
body cannot heal if it is constantly being re-inflamed by the environmental toxins and microbial parasites. Okay. So start by avoiding chemicals as much as possible, like food additives,
Mhm.
things that you know are not normal in the body, processed foods, pesticide residues, cleaning solutions, etc. You want to buy good, whole,
Mhm.
organic food wherever possible and use natural household cleaning products and personal care products. A good cleanse will help you eliminate toxins that are already in the body.
That is so good, Michelle. And this is the time of the year to really do it. It's summertime. Where are your local farmers? Getting this fresh food,
Yes.
helping support
Yes.
farmers. That's one way. And to know, and it's exciting that you know that your food can be as act as a healer to your body, the foods that we choose to put in. So excellent point. We are clean up and the drops along with the approved food list really helps detoxify the body where it's gentle on you and you get results. So yeah, so that's pretty good.
I love
I
key
know.
number one, detoxify.